Okay, so now we will talk about is the Finance Commission. So Finance Commission is the next set of questions. So Finance Commission, very important. Okay, so where the first question is, where can we see the Finance Commission in the Constitution? So where can we see this generally? Okay, so we generally can see this in Article 280. So in Article 280 you can see the functioning of the finance, everything is being given there. It's mentioned also, like, what are the qualifications for the finance, and the president is the main person here. Okay, and every 5 years the Finance Commission is also, like, now within 2 years the president has to create the Finance Commission, and within 5 years the commission has to be there, and after 5 years again, when the president retires, even the commission also retires with it. Okay, so it is the duty of the commission to make the recommendations to the president. So Finance Commission is basically giving all the recommendations to the president. Okay, whatever the finance is being distributed between the union and states, we have spoken about this in large. Okay, so as I said, we had also spoken about the Finance Commission working also. So there will be a question on explain the working of the Finance Commission. Okay, so here also it is done in the horizontal and vertical way. The states have been divided to union territories, have been divided, states are being closer to people, and it is having a vertical imbalance. So all the states across are, have to be equally divided. So it should not be like, some states are given preference, with friendliness or something. All the funds should be equally divided, so that should be the working. Okay, and yes, so what are the workings? Let us write down one by one. So let me just wrap this. The first one is levy of the duties by the center. Okay, and this is mentioned in Article 268. Okay, where you're supposed to do it. And yes, tax collected also. So first you give taxes, you levy the taxes to the states, and then you finally collect the tax also. So tax collected by the center and also assigned in whole to the states. So here also it is given, it is mentioned in Article 269. The third one is sharing of the proceeds. Okay, the sharing of the proceeds is very important. Sharing of the proceeds of all union taxes between the center and the states, which is also again mentioned in under Article 270, and this was effective. So you have to remember this from April 1996. Okay, this was also included in the 18th amendment. Now I told you the meaning of amendment. Okay, so amendment is something like changes, which happens. Okay, and then again there is another function also. Let me wrap this. So let me just clear this also. Okay, so then what about the excise duties? Yes, again collection of excise duties. So excise duties also, this is also there in under Article 272. Okay, so this is also there. Then again, any grants of aids, all are there. So suppose there is a crisis in India, so there is a grant also to, like there are floods or famines happening in always in states, in every country, especially in India also. It's not an exception. We are also suffering from so many famines. So in that moment of time, there is a statutory grant, like there is a must that this much of amount of grant has to be given to the state. So that is called as statutory or a mandatory grants in aid of the revenues, including the revenues of the states. Okay, and this is again included in Article 275. So they can ask you the question also, what is included in Article 275. So you have to remember this. Okay, then for any public purpose, so grants for any public purpose. So this is also mentioned in Article 282. And obviously simultaneously again loans also. So loans for any public purpose. So here also it's coming in Article 293. So these are the things where it is assigned also, and how the distribution is being done. So these are the basic things of Finance Commission. Coming to the next part, let's talk about is the State Finance Commission, because as I said, the Finance Commission is decentralizing its power. So now let us see how the activities are done in the state also by the Finance Commission. So coming to the next one, the next topic of questions is State Finance Commission. Okay, so State Finance Commission is very important, and obviously, so here I can tell you also. Okay, so I can ask you the question here is, how is the working of SFC in India? Okay, so the answer is decentralization. The first point you need to write. Okay, and this started in early 1990s. Okay, and how is the decentralized done? Through panchayats and municipalities. Okay, it existed, this was an amendment which was done before only, so existed before the 73rd and 74th amendment of the Constitution. So it is done in the Constitution. I told you what is the meaning of amendment. It means changes. Okay, in the year 1993. Okay, so these amendments are done also, and that that where it is also done. Okay, and what are the other things? That next question, let me see about SFC. Very important question, so let me write it down here. Okay, in which articles of the Constitution is the task of SFC laid down? So what is your answer? Let me just wait for a while. And yes, there are two articles here. I'm giving you a hint. So there are two articles here. Yes, so what is the article here? Let me tell you is, first is, as I said also, the first if you talk about is articles. There are two articles here, and I told you also it's very, very important also that these two articles are very important in the division of, as I said also. So now these two articles, they are laid down in the Constitution so that you can understand how the working is being done and what is the task and what is the duty. So the first article is 243 under section 1 and 243Y, okay, of the constitution. So there are two things where they are told you to recommend and what are the duties and how they are supposed to do. Okay, so this is very very important also. And as I said also that we have to study about the important topics here is Niti Ayog, okay, that is National Institution for Transforming India. So these are the most of the questions will be coming from here, and that is why you have to discuss more in detail. So you have to study these two also, because they will be coming more or less, okay, because when we start the new chapter also we have to do this, okay. বন্ধ কর।